It was an exciting and an interesting area to explore. I never imagined that I would be so closely associated with a brand like Cera. But I think what Cera has offered me is an opportunity to redefine luxury, to redefine style. I love the ads. I think they're very graceful. I love the still campaign. I think so much heart and so much mind and so much thought has gone into every single image and every single frame. I love working in a work environment like that where everybody is here to do their jobs and to put in everything that they believe in into what they're doing. This campaign is about Cera becoming luxurious, and it is about the brand graduating to the next level, and it is about reaching out to not just everybody, but also that niche audience and the niche market. And I think that the campaign has done that very gracefully and very beautifully. I think any ad that is effortless is beautiful, and I think it's a perfect combination of showing the product and also showcasing me beautifully within the storyboard. In a 15-20 second commercial, there's only that much you can do, and it's very difficult to achieve a clear and a very transparent thought process within that. And I think what ad film does is that it makes everybody look beautiful, including the product, so that's what's most important.
The experience has been good. This particular campaign works towards showing Cera as a luxury and lifestyle brand. The migration from bathroom solutions provider with all the products to a more luxury brand. Having Dia as the brand ambassador, having an upmarket image, a non-controversial image and a fit with the brand shows and showcases the best of the products in the luxury segment. Apart from this, we have also changed our logo. We've also migrated to a new logo after 30 years. This logo shows the stylish look of Cera of this year.
I'd just like to wish Cera the very best. I'm very proud to be a new member of the Cera family. I hope to do you all proud, and I hope we all grow together from strength to strength. Thank you.